In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DoubleClick in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. By the end, you'll be confidently using the DoubleClick action to add shapes, label connectors, and quickly edit text, all without breaking your flow. Start by opening Confluence and creating a new page. Once you're on a blank page, open a Draw.io diagram. Everything I'm about to show also works the same way in Jira. You should now see the canvas and the format panel on the right. To add a shape, simply double-click anywhere on an empty area of the canvas. This opens the shape picker right where you clicked. You can scroll or start typing to search for a shape, then click the one you want. The shape will drop at that spot, saving you time dragging from the side panel. If nothing appears when you double-click, make sure you're not double-clicking another object and that you're clicking a truly empty area of the canvas. To add text to a shape, double-click directly on the shape and start typing. The text field activates immediately and the shape will expand to fit longer text. Press enter to finish or click outside the shape. If you need a line break within the same shape, use shift plus enter. If your text looks cramped, you can adjust padding and alignment later using the format panel. To add a label to a connector, double-click the line itself. A small text cursor will appear, allowing you to type a label that stays attached to that connector. After you've added the label, you can drag the label handle along the connector to reposition it without changing the line's route. If you're having trouble selecting the connector, zoom in slightly or click the middle of a segment rather than the endpoints. To refine the text formatting, double-click any existing text to enter edit mode, then look to the format panel on the right. Here you can change font size, color, alignment, and spacing. The options adapt to what you've selected, so you'll see slightly different controls for shapes versus connectors. If you don't see the panel, toggle it using the Format button in the toolbar. Small tweaks like increasing font size or switching to center alignment can make your diagram much clearer. That's it. Double-click to add shapes, double-click to type on shapes, double-click to label connectors, and double-click again to fine-tune your text. With these simple actions, you'll work faster and keep your diagrams consistent and readable. Thanks for watching, and happy diagrams!